Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find your favorite games in Google Play Store on REALME Narzo 50 Pro. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store, and here let's try to find Call of Duty or basically any game. And as you can see, there's no download right here. We can't find Call of Duty and there's only icon right here that we can't even click on. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go to our settings of the Google Play Store, so just follow my steps. Then enter Family, reveal parental controls, and now either disable them entirely or enter Apps and Games. Then insert your PIN code and increase PG to 18 or 16, depending on which PG your game is. Click on Save and go back. Now look for Call of Duty or any other game, and here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.